Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And this one is Polybag 30070. And this is the Toy Story Alien Spaceship. Now, I know we've talked before with previous Polybags where it feels like the purpose of the Polybag is to get you the minifig. And I gotta tell you that in this particular case, I got this one for the purposes of getting the minifig because I wanted one of the aliens. So I guess it does happen. I mean, like, you do kind of get sort of roped in for the minifig. Now, if you enjoyed this kind of video, please think about subscribing because I am doing one of these LEGO Polybag build-alongs, one a day. Alright, there we go. One a day, every day, for the foreseeable future. And I've also done one a day, every day for a pretty good while in the past. So there are a decent number of these out, and there are plenty more on the way. So if you enjoy them, please think about subscribing, because there's more where this came from. And if you haven't watched all of them, there are also just currently more of them. Now, if you're interested in this particular Polybag, I've included links in the description where you can find it on Amazon as well as on Bricklink. And alright, so it's going to fly like this. And also there's a link to Brickset if you just want general information about the set itself. And alright. Kind of a neat looking little ship so far. I mean, like I said, it's not a super complicated one. It's only 29 pieces. And really the main purpose is to get the minifig, I think. So this extra part is kind of just sort of decorative. But it's still neat. I mean, like, I'm interested to see it with the ship. Now, I'm trying to think. I didn't really look at any of the other, like, Toy Story Polybags. Not Polybags. Toy Story sets. Were there a lot of Toy Story sets available for LEGO? Because there've been, like, gaps in my LEGOing during my adult life, you know, where I've gone more hot and more cold. And I know this might sound a little weird, but I've gotten a little bit more away from putting together like massive sets and more toward kind of like working on my own things, and you know, just sort of like the things that, well, what'll happen, actually, the bad thing is, what'll happen is I'll get an idea in my head, and I'll get wrapped up in the idea, and I'll go on one of those, you know, 3 a.m. Bricklink hunts where I need all these pieces to make it look exactly the way I want it to look and everything, like whatever I've come up with that I want to try and make. And I'll order that, and I'll order a bunch of extra pieces beyond that, because, you know, it's like, well, I'm ordering from these places anyway, and I, of course, need that. Or it's like, wow, I didn't know that was even a piece. I need some of those. And so, you know, you pick up a few extras here and there of that. And the problem is that oftentimes it takes a little while to get the pieces in, and by the time the pieces come in, I've either gone on to a new idea. By the way, this is the finished model. But I've either gone on to a new idea, or I've sort of gotten distracted with something else. And so oftentimes it's like my Bricklink orders will be, I'll order a bunch of stuff for an idea I had, and then like 4 months later I'll come back around to the idea and put it together. Anyway, so this is the alien from Toy Story 3. It's kind of a cool little set. I like the minifig. Anyway, let me know what you think. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.